Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Question number first. One of the following is measured in amperometric titration. Option A resistance, option B conductance, option C current, option D voltage. Correct answer is option C. Amperometric titration is a quantitative analysis technique that measures the current produced during a redox reaction to determine the equivalence point of a titration. Next question. Xenon R lamp is the source of light is option A spectropolarimeter, option B IR spectrometer, option C calorimeter, option D flame photometer. Xenon symbol is Xe or xenon is a chemical element that is colorless, odorless and dense noble gas. And xenon atomic number is 54 and atomic mass is 133. And question is xenon R lamp is the source of light in spectropolarimeter. Option A is correct. Spectropolarimeter. Xenon arc lamp is a light source that produces bright white light by passing electricity through ionized xenon gas at high pressure. Xenon arc lamp are used in spectropolarimetry because of their high brightness and ability to emit photons across a wide range of wavelength. These lamps are also used in applications such as fluorescence microscopy, movie projector, and searchlight. Next question. Which of the following is assayed by a complexometric titration? Option A talc powder, option B aspirin, option C amlodipine, option D piperazine. Correct answer is option A. Next question. A toxoid vaccine is option A live bacterial suspension, option B live viral vaccine, option C killed bacterial suspension, and option D incubated with formalin. Correct answer is option D. Toxoid vaccine is an incubated bacterial toxin that is incubated with formalin or other chemical to produce a vaccine. An example of live toxoid vaccine is diphtheria and tetanus vaccine are the example of toxoid vaccine. Diphtheria and tetanus vaccine are example of toxoid vaccine. Toxoid is a bacterial toxin that has been inactivated usually by heat or chemical treatment but still has the ability to stimulate the production of antibodies. Toxoid vaccine are used to target the toxic activity of bacteria rather than the bacteria itself. Next question. Dettol is used as option A disinfectant, option B antiseptic, option C antimicrobial, option D antibiotic. Dettol is most commonly used as antiseptic, and Dettol is also used as both disinfectant and antiseptic, but most commonly used as antiseptic. It is a mixture of the chloroxylenol and tapinol. Dettol is a mixture of the chloroxylenol and terpinol. Antiseptic Dettol can be used to clean minor wounds and from the personal hygiene. It can also be used to cleanse the skin and protect it from infection caused by cuts and scratches. Disinfectant Dettol can be used to clean floor and hard surface around the homes. It can also be used in the laundries. Dettol is not an antibiotic. Antibiotics are used to kill microorganisms such as bacteria, usually taken orally or injected. Antiseptics, on the other hand, are used to inhibit or prevent bacterial growth but not to kill them. Correct answer is option B, antiseptic. Anti-cancer drug kill cancer cells by option A second order kinetic, option B zero order kinetic, option C first order kinetic, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C, first order kinetic. Anti-cancer drug kills cancer cells by first order kinetic. Anti-cancer drugs are also known as chemotherapy, are used to treat cancer by destroying cancer cells and preventing cancer from the spreading. Next question. The RNA contains all except option A uracil, option B adenine, option C guanine, option D thymine. RNA full form is ribonucleic acid. RNA contains all except option D is correct, thymine. RNA is made up of a nucleotide with a R which are made up of the phosphate, ribosomes and nitrogenous base. RNA made of the nucleotides which are made of the phosphate and ribosome sugars and nitrogenous base. Four nitrogenous base in the present in the RNA: adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Four RNA base are nitrogen base are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. The main difference between RNA and DNA is that RNA contains uracil instead of thymine. Main difference is RNA contains uracil instead of thymine. DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. Next question. A bolometer consists of option A, two metals weld together, option B, a thin blackened platinum strip in an evaluated vessel, option C, deuterated thyroglycerin sulfate, option D, tungsten iron. Correct answer is option A. A bolometer consists of two metal weld together. Bolometer is a detector that measures infrared radiation and is made up of following parts: adsorption element, thermal reservation, and thermal link and thermistor. Bolometer are often used in balloons bonds experiment for infrared astronomy. The first use of the bolometer was in 1963. Next question. One of the following condition is maintained in program temperature gas chromatography. Option A, temperature of the whole column is raised during analysis. Option B, temperature at the sample injection system is raised. Option C, temperature at the detector is gradually raised. Option D, temperature at the recorder alone is raised. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Solubility of drug is high when it is in option A, stable form, option B, metastable form, option C, non-ionic form, option D, unstable form. Correct answer is option B, metastable form. A drug is more soluble when it is in its metastable form. Metastable form of drug are less stable physically but have higher solubility than stable form. Next question. The most important protein involved in protein bindings are option A, globulin and plasmin, option B, fibrin and globulin, option C, albumin and globulin, option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option C. The most important protein involved in the protein binding are albumin and globulin. These proteins are responsible for most of the binding of small molecule weight drug molecules. The concentration of this protein varies with age, nutritional structures and disease. Next question. Ion exchange capacity of a resins is dependent on option A, total molecular weight of the resins, option B, total number of ion active groups, option C, length of the ion exchange resins, option D, solubility of the ion exchange resins. Correct answer is option B. Ion exchange capacity of resin is dependent on the total number of the ion active groups. The ion exchange capacity of resin is dependent on the number of mobile ionic sites in the resins, which is determined by the resin types and structure. Next question. Silicon carbide rod heated to a high temperature is used as option A, detector in infrared spectroscopy, option B, source of light in infrared spectroscopy, option C, source of light in fluorimetry, option D, detector in gas chromatography. Correct answer is option B. Silicon carbide rod heated to high temperature is used as source of light in infrared spectroscopy. Next question. In the mass spectra, the most intense peak is the option A, base peak, option B, rearrangement ion peak, option C, fragment ion peak, option D, rearrangement ion peak. Correct answer is option A. In the mass spectra, the most intense peak is the base peak. Next question. Chemical shift is expressed in one of the following units. Chemical shift is expressed in one of the following units. Correct answer is option C, parts per million. Next question. Which of the following is an aprotic solvent? Option A, ethyl alcohol. Option B, acetic acid. Option C, benzene. Option D, HCl. Correct answer is option C, benzene. Benzene is an aprotic solvent with ethyl alcohol and acetic acid are not. And benzene is aprotic solvent that is made of the 6 carbon atom in a ring with one hydrogen atom attached to each other. And benzene is a colorless, flammable and liquid that is used to make other chemicals. Ethyl alcohol is polar protic solvent because the oxygen atom in its structure is covalently bonded to a hydrogen atom. Next question. Non-aqueous titration equation can be expressed by. Non-aqueous titration equation can be expressed by Lowry-Bronsted theory. Option D is correct. Lowry-Bronsted theory is a acid-base theory, also known as the proton theory. Is theory that they describe how much acid and base interact by the exchanging protons. Next question. Particle size analysis is done for option A, stability, option B, dissolution rate, option C, dose uniformity, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option C. Particle size analysis is done for dose uniformity. Particle size analysis is important because it can help determine many other properties of the material: flow, reactivity, solubility, taste, compressibility. Some common methods used to particle size analysis include dynamic image analysis and static laser light scattering, dynamic light scattering. Next question. Cholesterol produced as emulsion. Option A, stable. Option B, water in out. Option C, unstable. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer is option D, both A and B, stable and water in out. Cholesterol is non-polar liquid that produces in unstable emulsion. Next question. Substances which are weakly acidic or basic give sharp end point if titrated with. Option A, strong acid. Option B, weak base. Option C, strong base. Option D, non-aqueous solvent. Correct answer is option D, non-aqueous solvent. Substances which are weakly acidic or basic give sharp end point if titrated with non-aqueous solvent. Non-aqueous titration are useful method for the estimation weakly acid basic substance because they produce precise result with sharp end point. Non-aqueous titration are useful because they can titrate very weak acid or base, provide a solvent that can dissolve organic compound. Next question. Dielectric constant of aprotic solvent is option A, high, option B, medium, option C, low, option D, very high. Correct answer is option C, low. Next question. All the following drugs are acid by complexometric titration except option A, alumina gel, option B, calcium lactate, option C, magnesium sulfate, option D, acetyl salicylic acid. Correct answer is option D, acetyl salicylic acid. Next question. A hardness of the kilogram is minimum for uncoated tablet. Option A 5, option B 20, option C 10, option D 2. Correct answer is option A 5. Oral tablet hardness 4 to 10 kilogram, but hydrophobic and the chewable tablets are hardness of 3 kilogram to 4 kilogram, and sustained release tablet have about 10 to 20 kilogram. Next question. The drug not acid by the Kejald method is option A, sulfadizine, option B, tolbutamide, option C, pentamidine injection, option D, Meclozine HCl. Correct answer is option A. Sulfadiazine. Next question. The most effective concentrations of benzocaine is option A 20%, option B 2%, option C 5%, option D 1%. Correct answer is option C 5%. Next question. The drug not acid by tetrabutyl amino oxide is panthenylene HCl. Next question. The drug standardized using sodium ethoxide is option A metronidazole, option D B lignocaine HCl, option C sulfafurazole. Next question. The drug acid by perchloric acid is option A lignocaine HCl, option B amphetamine, option C diloxinide, option D sulfafurazole. Correct answer is option A lignocaine HCl. Next question. Thickness of TLC plate is option A 2.225 mm, option B 0.012 to 0.1 mm, option C 3 to 10 mm, and option D 0.1 to 2 mm. Correct answer is option C 3 to 10 mm. Next question. Ion exchange chromatography is used for separation of option A amino acids, option B aldehyde, option C fatty acid, option D hydrocarbon. Correct answer is option A amino acid. Ion exchange chromatography used for separation of amino acid. Inorganic cations are efficiently separated by option A TLC, option B paper chromatography, option C GLC, option D ion exchange chromatography. Correct answer is option D ion exchange chromatography. Next question. Contact angle is related to option A disintegration of tablet, option B moisture content, option C coefficient of friction, option D spreadability of ointment. Correct answer is option C coefficient of friction. Next question. Storage condition for aerosol is correct answer is option B below 120 degrees Celsius. Next question. Polymorphism is exhibited by option A solution, option B ointment, option C capsule, option D suspension. Correct answer is option D suspension. Next question. Sorbitol is mainly used as option A humectant, option B solubilizer, option C flavoring agent, option D viscosity enhancer. Correct answer is option A humectant. Sorbitol is mainly used as a humectant. Next question. If angle of repose is between 30 to 40, type of flow is option A excellent, option B satisfactory, option C good, option D very poor. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Which one lubricant is used in oral tablet? Option A boric acid, option B magnesium stearate, option C talc, option D stearic acid. Correct answer is option A boric acid. Next question. Talcum powder is sterilized by option A hot air on, option B freeze drying, option C autoclave, option D millipore filter. Correct answer is option A. Talcum powder is sterilized by hot air on. Next question. Concentration of PVP as a binder is option A 1 to 5%, option B 2 to 15%, option C 0.5 to 3%, option D 0.1 to 0.5%. Correct answer is option C 0.5 to 3%. Next question. Disadvantages of Tragacanth as binder is option A its hardness on storage, option B its high concentration is required, option C used in warm solution, option D It is incompatible with most of the drug. Disadvantages of tragacanth as binder is option A. It hardness on storage. Next question. Primary amines are incompatible with. Correct answer is option B. Lactose. Primary amines are incompatible with lactose. Next question. Pink color of calamine is due to option A. Zinc oxide, option B. Ferric oxide, option C. Calamine, option D. Titanium dioxide. Correct answer is option B. Pink color of calamine is due to ferric oxide. Next question. Most effective sun creams contain option A. Titanium dioxide, option B. Para-aminobenzoic acid, option C. Methyl salicylate, option D. Silicone. Correct answer is option A. Titanium dioxide. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe and wait for my upcoming new video.